How's your week going?
My week's going really well, thank you. And I'm excited because later I have choir practice.
Choir practice. That means you sing with other people.
It does.
Well, that's good because we're talking all about hobbies. And those are the activities that we do after work or college or at the weekends.
So, Neil, I go to choir. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I also have a musical hobby. I like to play guitar.
Nice. How often do you play the guitar?
It depends. Sometimes I play for a long time and often. Usually if I've heard a song I like, I want to learn how to play it. And then sometimes I don't play at all for a while, for weeks.
Okay. So you go through phases, I suppose.
Yeah. And how about your choir? Tell me more about that.
Well, so I go to choir practice weekly, every Monday. And at the moment, we're practicing for a Christmas concert. We did just do a concert, which was really fun. And we've got another one coming.
Right, okay. And do you really enjoy the singing? How does it make you feel?
I love the singing because I put my phone in my bag and I just sing with my friends. And we have a really nice group of people that do choir. So I really enjoy it. So Neil, you like playing the guitar, but maybe there's a new hobby you'd like to try?
Yeah, so I've been playing guitar for many years, but I don't have any training and I can't read music. So I thought that maybe I should learn piano and learn properly.
Oh, that would be good. Then you can play the piano with my choir.
Okay, when do I start?
Next Monday?
So do you have any hobbies that aren't musical?
Yes, I like doing some exercise. So I like running and I like doing yoga. At the moment, I'm not running regularly. I'm running probably monthly, so once a month, which is not very good. I'd like to run more.
Yeah, I also run, but I struggle to do it regularly. I think if you do it twice or 3 times a week, it's easy to keep going. But once you stop for a long time.
I completely agree. It's difficult to stick to a routine with running, I find.
Yeah.
It's very easy to lose your routine.
So, Georgie, you go to choir regularly, but you don't run regularly. What's this word, regularly?
Well, regularly means that you do something often as part of a regular routine. So, for example, I regularly get a coffee when I come to work. So I get a coffee most times I come to work. But I don't regularly buy lunch. I usually bring my own lunch from home.
Saves money.
Neil, what about unusual hobbies? Do you have any unusual hobbies?
I suppose I do. I quite like making sauerkraut.
Okay, sauerkraut. What is sauerkraut?
It's a kind of food. You get some cabbage and you slice it thinly and you add some salt, you crush it and you leave it. And after a while, it changes into something new, which is very good for your stomach.
Okay, so why do you like making sauerkraut, Neil?
It's very relaxing and it takes a while for it to be right. And I think in today's world, we do lots of things that happen very quickly. So it's kind of old-fashioned but satisfying.
Okay, makes sense. I wouldn't do it, but I'm glad you have found something you love. Well, let's recap the language we learned during the conversation. We had weekly, which means every week.
Yes, and monthly, every month.
We had regularly, often.
We also heard the word choir, a group of people who sing together.
Yes.